Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Audi A3 key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR 2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple process will have your key working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started with the first step. Next, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. The two halves of the key fob should separate with a soft click, exposing the internal components. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Now it's time to replace the battery. Observe how the old CR 2032 battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. Use your small screwdriver to carefully pry out the old battery. Be gentle to avoid scratching the contacts. Then, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. It should fit snugly into its compartment. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, test your key's functions, like locking and unlocking your Audi A3, to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your key battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.